Today we got a video from New York Detective, and the title of the video is Family Tries to Interfere with Traffic Stop.
On August 2nd, 2024, while on patrol, a deputy observed a vehicle fail to come to a complete stop at two separate intersections. After witnessing the traffic violations, the deputy activated his emergency lights and initiated a traffic stop.
Stay in the car, please. How's it going, man? Deputy Sheriff's Office. Sorry, the reason you shot today is your failure to stop at two intersections.
How I stop? You saying me stop and go?
Again, you're not stopping. Full and complete stops is full and complete stops. You slowing down is not stopping.
I stopped and then I went.
I'm not going to argue this with you. Again, I watched you at both of them.
Okay.
Can I see your license, registration, proof of insurance, please? Your license, please.
Tell Gigi to put my Wi-Fi code in here. I don't have them on me.
I just saw it in your wallet there, so let's try that again. Let me see it then. Thank you.
You see how he snatched it?
Mr. Tarika?
No.
What's your name?
That ain't it.
What's your name?
It's on the ID.
You just talk to the people. I ain't got time for this.
Me either. He talk about I ain't stopping. I ain't stopping.
Step out the vehicle, please. Step out the vehicle, please.
On the right side. Here. Just going me out of here. That's all.
Turn around.
They can't just sit in jail like that.
Yes, I can. Stop
Can
it.
you pull my shirt up, Mom? Pull my shirt up, Mom. Mom, pull my shirt up so my titties come out.
You don't even have proper cause for even take her to jail.
Yes, I do.
Oh, you got because
Yes, I do. Back up from my traffic stop. That's what you're going to do. Back up. Back up.
They was
Back
sitting at
up.
the stop sign. I ain't stop if it's cars in front of me going left and right. I ain't got no choice but to stop and go.
she give you her license and you started asking what your name is on her driver's license.
All right, man, if you want to be so smart, what does that say? At the top of that, what does it say?
I can't see.
What does it say? All right, it's not a driver's license. Mind your business over there, please.
That shit smell like doo-doo. Damn, that shit funky.
Your vehicle's getting towed.
I don't care. Move it, Mom.
Have a seat.
He talk about he finna tow it. Park it.
Get in the car. Do not get near that car, please. Get in the car.
He cannot tow my car.
Get in the car.
Y'all see this? I can't.
Get in the car.
I'm getting there. You don't have to push me.
Get in the damn car. You're going to get another charge.
I don't care. You don't
Pull her
have
back.
to push me.
Pull her.
You don't have to push me. I'm going to get up and get in the car.
Grab the ID, please. It's underneath her back. You damn legs. Cut it out.
Hey, get in here.
What you doing? Like, come on.
Say again. Right now, she's getting resisting charges.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm sorry, sir.
What is that? What does it say right there? Does it say driver's license?
Did you just go in the car?
Yep.
Grab her.
No, that is my ass.
No, come here. This is my traffic stop. This is my traffic stop. Give me the keys. Give me the...
Stop, baby.
Stop it.
Hold it. Just
See? Yeah. The apple don't fall far from the tree, man. This is one of those instances because the kid is dictating to the mom to what to do, you know, bossing her. Hey, do this, do that, do this, do that. First of all, I don't even know why the officer allowed her to give the purse to her without even checking it or whatever. You could have handed off any old thing. We don't know. We don't know what's in that purse, you know, at first, right? So the kid is bossing the mom around, telling her to do this, do that, pretty much interfere with what's going on here. But the reason why I say the apple don't fall far from the tree is that she's complying and got a bad and going along with it as well. Instead of showing her kid the right way, hey, listen to him, do this, do that, you know, hey, is everything all right? She want to participate in the foolery.
I already told you to go in the car. You decided to do that. Congratulations. Yes, I did.
Sir,
Yes, I did.
You did not. That's my purse.
It'd be one thing you came back to me. You didn't.
You didn't ask me that. You didn't ask me that. You didn't say nothing that I couldn't get my purse, sir.
I said, do not go into that car. You did it anyway.
No, you did not. You ain't lying. You're very much lying, sir.
No, he said don't go near that vehicle when she gave you orders to move the car. So don't act like you ain't here. Gonna get you right today. See, the only one that came appropriately was the guy, the father. You know, he approached, asked his questions, whatever. Boom. You know, it was calm and cordial. But everybody else,
You're very much lying.
Hold her in. Call 20 over here.
20 on track 2.
Lift your wrist up, please. Hold her on.
Can you head this way, please? Thank you. She's on the way.
All this for a stop sign violation.
So what, she gonna stop saying?
She ran a stop sign. She has no driver's license. That's what she's going to do. On top of that, now she's getting resistance charges. Come on.
So
You
what
have anything in your pockets? No, you were under arrest for resisting. Resisting or obstruction? Because I told you not to go in that car. You did it anyway?
You did not, sir.
Get in the
You
car.
say don't move.
Get in the car. Get in the car.
That's the difference. You say don't move.
Get in the car.
You say don't move the car.
1 Charlie 24 Central.
I get you. Just let me find out what they do. What? Get Kiki to do what?
Get her 14.
Can I ask her that?
Who?
Her. I just wanted. That's my wife.
Give us a minute. Listen, I have no problem you talking to her.
Can you leave here without you talking about it?
Just, I understand this is the current predicament I'm in, okay? First things first, I'm doing a traffic stop. It's a simple one, supposed to be real quick.
Yes, sir.
At first, I was just going to do a warning.
Right.
No valid driver's license, straight to jail. I said, don't go in the car. The car is right now is still under my control.
Right. Right.
I'm not relinquishing over to anybody else. Nothing.
Okay.
Okay.
Right.
She goes into the car against my wishes.
Okay.
Again, knowing this is a traffic stop. Resisting arrest. All right. It's a $500 bond.
Okay. How much?
500.
Okay.
All right.
All right. Okay. So get it together.
Bill
Both of them?
No, hers is going to be a bit more.
This
If she
one?
wants to start fighting, kicking me and everything else, she's getting other charges.
Which one? This one?
This one.
So this,
Resisted you.
okay, so you know about the bail bonds and all that stuff?
No, not really, but you could just tell me where I go and what I need to do. I get her, and she could figure out.
What, for her?
Yeah.
Once she gets processed into the jail itself, we have to do our report, take her to the jail, and get her processed inside of it. Afterwards, you can bond her out. You can call bonds and anything else like that.
Okay. Where you on with her?
Volusia County Branch Jail.
Volusia. Okay.
Yeah, it's in Daytona.
I said
it's gonna-
Daytona.
The bond itself is going to be 10% of it. So
Yes, sir.
you're going to pay $100.
Okay, I'll pay the $100. Okay, that's her. And you want me to wait and see how much this is going to cost me?
Yeah, I'll tell you before I leave.
Okay, thank you.
Just hang tight for us, right, bud?
Okay.
Simple traffic stop to arrest. So I'm talking with him over there, and I see it too, where this girl that's in the back of this car, she didn't stop. So it's just basically a traffic stop violation, right? So pretty much after that, we get here and she's like not providing her ID or anything, or his driver's license. Turns out she only has an ID card. She doesn't have a driver's license, so she's in jail for, not having a driver's license, operating a motor vehicle. And then I guess this is probably like her mom or something like that. And so the mom ends up opening the trunk, grabs her stuff, and starts walking off during the traffic stop. That has nothing to do with her. So then I got with her in the car resisting. And she, I guess, she started kicking my fan and stuff like that, so he got battery charges on her.
Hello.
Hey,
So you're trying to figure out the bond for everybody?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to. Yeah.
Okay. Well, we have a new bond schedule set up, so because the driver of the car kicked my deputy,
Okay.
she's going to have no bond. So she's
Okay.
got to wait to see a judge in the morning.
In the morning.
Yep.
Okay.
And then your wife, am I correct?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Your wife is going to have a $500 bond.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So I could go get
Yep, you can get her out.
her, but I can't get Russell.
Correct.
That's after you process over there. They don't.
Yep, we're going to have to get her processed first, and then they can get her out. So I'd say probably give about 3 hours at max. You can call in and by all means try earlier.
And she going right to D-Land. I mean Daytona.
They're going to go Daytona,
Okay.
yep.
Okay. I called.
1300 Red John Road's the address.
Yeah, I'm familiar with it.
Yep.
But I can call
Yep.
and send him over there. I guess.
1300 what?
Red John Road,
The jailhouse.
the jailhouse. Yep.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you, man. She don't want me to take the
What about
paperwork?
that case?
Give us just a second and we'll get you taken care of, okay? Just hang out over here. I'll come right back. Nothing else in here. Everything's good, right? Okay, she asked if you can please take her purse. She's got another set of key. We're keeping her car key because that's getting towed.
Oh, you gonna tow the car? She's just moving in. We just got to pay. That's just extra money. I'm
No, I
already
get
gonna
it.
get them out of jail.
No, I get it.
Okay. But you have to tow it.
It's getting towed. They make sure
she didn't
there's.
have no license.
She's got no license yet, and because we're
That's
towing
fine.
it, we make sure there's nothing. Yeah, because she's got no license, so she shouldn't be driving.
Okay.
And we work with people that want to work with us.
Okay.
So when she doesn't want to cooperate and work with us, then it'll get towed. Because it's in the
Can I
roadway.
talk to her to get her to calm down so I can let this car get
And
towed?
she already let it escalate too far.
She
It
is?
literally could have been something as simple as a ticket.
I know. That's what he told me.
She actually could be getting charged with a felony if she chose to. She didn't stop immediately when the deputy told her to stop. A couple blocks back. He's not charging her with fleeing and eluding.
Okay.
Okay? So,
God,
if she wouldn't have had attitude, sounds like from the get-go, it could have been something as simple as, hey, you shouldn't have been driving. Here's your ticket. Let's
here's
call
your
it a
ticket.
day.
They call it a day.
Yep. Could have been simple as that. But now, unfortunately, she's racked some charges upon herself.
The mother was charged with resisting an officer without.
But now, unfortunately, she's racked some charges upon herself.
The mother was charged with resisting an officer without violence. The daughter was charged with resisting an officer with violence, battery on a law enforcement officer, and operating a motor vehicle without a valid driver's license. Share your thoughts in the
Yeah, the only reasonable one there is the father. That's the only one that got some sense. He came correct, calm, cool, collected. You know, he an old cat, old timer, man. He cool, he smooth, man. The mom, she want to stick her nose in something that ain't got nothing to do with her. She want to bark orders and listen to the orders of her daughter, and the daughter is gonna lead you down the wrong path. Okay, it's supposed to go the other way around. Okay, the parents is supposed to be, hey, do this, do that, cooperate, do that, boop, boop, boop. Hey, stay calm, cool, do. But nope, it's the roles reverse. It is what it is, man. Pops, he smooth, man. Smooth. Old cat, man. I like him. I like Pops. I ain't gonna lie to you. I like Pops. Yeah, she just young, dumb, thinks she know it all. Already got an attitude. Hey, I seen you blow the stop sign. Oh, I didn't blow nothing. Oh, you seen me stop and pass. Pleading your case it's already done and over with. You wasting your time. He already seen what he's seen. By you saying whatever is not gonna change his mind. By the time he already pull up, you supposed to have license, registration, proof of insurance already out. But your shit is messed up because you ain't got no license. You driving hot to begin with. So you think arguing is going to be in your best interest too? Come on, man. Don't make no sense. I think the officers, man, they did a great job. 4 out of 5 from me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did. And I'm going to catch you in the next video.